In this video, we'll be discussing the circle map and how to use it. The circle map is used for brainstorming ideas about a topic without drawing any connections. After generating ideas, students can begin to see connections within the map. The circle map is sometimes used before any other map. Once students have brainstormed the ideas, they should look for related ideas that can be expanded and organized in other thought processes and other maps. All kinds of information can be collected within a circle map. You can use keywords, phrases, descriptors, illustrators. Anything and everything can be used within the circle map. The circle map provides an in-the-moment assessment of students' prior knowledge, basic vocabulary, bits of information, and sometimes conceptions and misconceptions students may have about a topic. In order to create the circle map, what you do is you draw an inner circle and an outer circle. The inner circle, write the big idea or the main concept. Have students brainstorm everything they can think about that concept and put it in the outer circle. Therefore, the inner circle is the main thought, and the outer circle is anything they can think about dealing with that main thought. Anything and everything goes within a circle map, so it's okay if it's a picture, it's okay if it's just a random thought, it's okay if it's a connection to their own life. Anything and everything will go into that circle map.